This is Tony DeLigio, Plastics Technology Magazine. Earlier this month, Japanese injection molding machine supplier Nissei held an open house at its recently completed injection molding machine assembly facility in San Antonio, Texas. Completed in March of 2018, the $20 million facility, which covers 392,000 square feet, assembles the company's hybrid presses, ranging in size from 600 to 1,440 U.S. tons. Live machine displays include the company's pre-pack technology, its low-pressure and Sapley technology, a new LSR turnkey kit, as well as a full assembly cell with in-mold label, assembly, and inspection of parts. For the LSR system, Nissei partnered with Elmet, and for the assembly cell, they partnered with DevLinks Automation and Robotics. The assembly hall is 361 feet long, 131 feet wide, with a 66-foot ceiling. There are 6 overhead cranes, and the floor has varying load capacities, either 20 tons per square meter or 5 tons per square meter. This time the facility is building around 4 to 5 machines per month. The goal is to get that to 7 to 8 machines per month in 2020.